Start again. Hello, this week in the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we will share with you how to plant radish and turnips in a grow bed that will be planted into tomatoes after we harvest the radishes while the turnips are still growing. So here's a clip from the show. So radishes, turnips in the center. So this will be something different. It's kind of fun to play with it a little bit, see what we can do different. As the garden evolves, so does our skill set. So we get better and better at what we do, and we learn from the previous year, how to do it differently. So this is the Hockery turnips. These are the ones that the kids like. They taste like a radish apple. They're not your grandma's old-fashioned turnips. These are actually like a Japanese turnip. And you can eat them fresh, you can eat the leaves, and you can also make them into mashers for like potatoes. I'm gonna leave that for just a second so I can see my lines. Let me get the radishes in. So these are all cool weather plants. They do really well in the colder, cooler weather. They're usually the first thing you put in the garden, because the warm weather plants, they're not ready. They just can't take it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put radishes here. Whew, the clouds are coming and going. I got a little storm brewing outside. There's some wind coming. Put the radishes here. We'll see what we get. Okay, we're just going to cover these up lightly. I know I got one little section in the front of the bed yet. I missed the spot there. Radishes are fun because they're just such an early season crop, but the little turnips are just as fun because they're also an early season crop. But that way this bed can be useful while we're waiting on the tomatoes to grow. We're going to play with the warm weather plants next week, getting them situated, but they'll still remain in the greenhouse package. Okay, the package there. Save those seeds for later. And we need our mulch. Same thing, we're just going to cover soil lightly to help hold that moisture in so that those seeds have a chance to germinate. And depending on the temperatures will determine how fast these things germinate or not. We have the door open because the sun was hot in here, and I can feel the breezes blowing my mulch away. So if you have that problem out in your garden, just put a wire. Like you can have this and then just set a wire over the top of it, a little bit of fencing, and that'll help hold your mulch down if the wind is going to kick up on you. Alrighty, that section is done. This is so much fun. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 1, Part 2. And also in the show Year 8, Week 1, Part 2, I will show you how to plant sprouting broccoli, lettuce, peas, walking onions in the High Performance Garden way. If you would like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free and it's online, and you can enroll on our website thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into one pint jar. This show is a demonstration of the type of garden you can grow with a high-performance garden education. So if you are tired of blisters, backache, sweat, and tears, and you want your garden to be easy, fun, productive, and organic, then this is the garden education for you. The show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. There are 7 seasons, that's over 230 episodes to watch. I have people who binge watch the show and say it's better than those popular streaming channels. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the high-performance garden nuggets. Oh, and by the way, your friends might want to have an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden too, so please share the show with them. They will be thanking you later. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.